Hi, good morning. We are going to present you a real study for Indus. First thing what we have taken is big data. Now the things can be changed if the right information is available at the right time. This can help to increase the revenues, improve customer services, cut down on costs. What we have aligned the steps is aligning to market agility, sustained growth, and the steps for implementing this plan. And the real innovation of this is real-time availability of external portals to get market information on the time. Machine-to-machine communication. In machine-to-machine communication, it removes the real-time material product porting and gain control on expiry products, which we have taken as a real case this thing. Steps which are involved are business cycle process definitions, sensor physical location feasibilities, short listing of third parties, and budgeting the things. The main innovation of this particular project taken is sensor feasibility as well as integration during material movement and third parties such as RFID integration during material movements. The next thing is what data, which is the main thing of any industry, which is a data center consolidation or transformation. The benefits will be achieved is the cut down the carbon footprints, reduce the power consumption by reducing the power consumptions and cooling requirements, reduction and elimination of physical spaces, and the steps to do this is studies on isolation data center versus consolidation, identification of business critical data losses, identification of physical space reduction analysis, redefining of cooling power solution, and budgeting approvals. The real innovation in this is real-time transmission of business critical data. Next, what we have taken is business service management, which will improve in procurement portal with e-auction automation benefits. Now, reducing the IT team intervention is the main thing what we have taken on, improve on procurement efficiencies, and the steps to implement our e-auction application development, integrating it with the portal, automation of existing procurement process, budget approvals, and SDLC life cycle. The main innovation of this is custom application layer of e-education process, integration with existing procurement portal. Private cloud technology. Streamlining communication across locations, reduce portability costs, and multi-party accessibility is the main area of this presentation. The steps are studies on existing communication devices with application, integration process on communication consolidation across locations, and budget approvals. The main innovation of this is integration with legacy communications with historical information. Business productivity and BI, which is also a major and the most important thing of a company. And the project what we have taken is existing business application consolidation across locations. The benefits achieved will be operational efficiency and seamless consolidation of business applications. Steps involved are business critical application for consolidation, designing critical analysis overviews, and budget approvals for the product. The main innovation of this is alignment of custom application data with standard application data such as Oracle and SAP. Enterprise security. The main today the customers are moving out of the window, multi-locations. So what we have taken is secured and simplified device access, adherence to regular compliance, identifying mobile defining risk critical checkpoints, budgeting SDLC, and the main innovation seamless definition of major mobility devices such as tablet, iPhone, Android devices, etc. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.